Hello dear traders, today is the 13th of June, Thursday. I'm here with another market overview for InstaForex. As for the news flow, yesterday's inflation report from the United States turned out to be very weak. However, Powell's comments were quite hawkish. In this light, we saw price swings. Let us examine them on the trading charts. Thus, gold prices surged amid inflation figures and dropped after Jerome Powell delivered his speech. The situation is really interesting. Notably, at present, most traders are focused on the level of 22.75. This is a monthly low recorded in May. What is more, this level is close to the low seen in June. It's quite possible that gold may update these lows. Currently, the trading instrument is stagnant. The upward momentum we saw amid the inflation report did not allow the price to test swing highs. That is why there are no entry points at the moment. The euro looks a bit stronger than gold. Amid inflation figures, the price approached the swing high but then fell. Those who wanted to sell should have done this yesterday. Those who want to buy may enter the market at the low recorded after the publication of inflation figures. The three-wave plan I presented earlier could be worked out soon. The pound-dollar pair also fluctuated amid the news releases. The thing is that on the chart we see a lot of levels that have not been broken yet. If you want to sell the British pound, take into account a swing high you can see in the upper part of the chart near 1.2835. Bulls may also enter the market near 1.274885. These are zones where it is possible to trade the asset. The Australian dollar lost only half of the gains it made thanks to US inflation data. It would like to see a rise so that the asset managed to exceed the level of 0.6899. Meanwhile, the dollar-yen pair is climbing. Notably, tomorrow, the Bank of Japan will announce its key rate decision. Analysts expect that the regulator's officials will provide some comments that could stop the yen's depreciation. For now, I'm going to stop there. Stay tuned for our next video review. Good luck.